Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Milford Street in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a beautifully presented, bay-fronted, 2-bedroom terrace property. As you can see, we've got a lovely terraced garden to the front. And as we head inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway. You'll note it's nice and neutral with the decoration throughout. As we step into the bay-fronted lounge, there we go into the spacious dining room that leads straight on through this modern fitted kitchen. And from the dining room there are patio doors that lead out into a low maintenance courtyard garden to the rear, which benefits from artificial grass and a brick built barbecue setup. The property is in a great location within walking distance of Salford Quays in Media City, which is host to an array of bars, shops and restaurants. It's also within easy access along with a tram stop with direct access into the city centre as well. Upstairs at the top of the stairs straight on, we have this nice modern 3-piece bathroom. As you can see, it's really good size. Then we have the second bedroom through here, which is still a large double bedroom. And then to the front of the property, got this tastefully decorated main bedroom. This property is in a very popular location. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.